Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for CoinStats. Signing up for CoinStats allows you to track cryptocurrencies, manage your portfolio, and receive price alerts. You can easily sign up via your mobile application, that is Android or iOS, or even on the web. So I'm just going to sign up using the CoinStat app on my smartphone. First of all, go visit your App Store or your Play Store and download the CoinStats app on your device and launch it open. Once you do that, from the welcome screen of CoinStats, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Get Started. On the next page, answer some of the questions and enter your crypto portfolio target value. Search for any portfolio and connect. Choose anyone from the menu and enter the credentials, or you can also do this later by tapping Later at the top right. Now, select your favorite coins. Turn on access such as notifications if you want to be alerted from CoinStats, and you'll then be able to get to the home page of CoinStats. Once you're in the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap the More button. From the More menu, click on Sign Up. Go ahead and enter an email address you would like to sign up using for CoinStats in the first field. Once you are done, head over to the password field and create a password for your account. Finally, click on Sign Up. Once you do that, you'll then need to verify your email address. You'll receive a verification code sent to your email address that you used while signing up. Go ahead and open up your email inbox, and you'll receive an email from CoinStats. Click it open, and then click on Verify Email to verify your email address. Soon after you do that, you will be able to verify your email. Get back to the CoinStats application, and you have now successfully completed the account sign-up process. After signing up, you can go ahead and enable two-factor authentication in your account setting for extra security. You'll then be ready to track new crypto prices, create alerts, and manage your portfolio with CoinStats. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.